When I survey the wondrous cross on which the Prince of Glory died. My people, this was one of the songs I remember when I used to go to church with my granny on Good Friday morning that they would sing. But Easter now the same nowadays, especially when you're there foreign. Lord, it different, bad man, it different. It's like Easter just come and it just go. But one thing me can't forget is the crucifixion, that Jesus died on the cross to save me and for your sin. What are some of your memories of Easter growing up back in Jamaica, my people? Me remember in my district, me used to see them broke egg in the water. Before sun come up, though, them would do it. And whatever you see in that the water there, that go happen to you, you know. If you see plane, it means say you go fly, go foreign. And if you see coffin, that means say there you do them out. Lord, them there was sweet little memories, you know. And remember, you know, we're supposed to make up no fire before 12 o'clock. No fire, no fi make up. When I think about those memories, I really, really, really miss those days. My people, drop a line below, man, and let me hear for no memories. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful Good Friday.